Good morning, good morning. Today is the day. So, guys, we're totally super excited for the 100-meter heats that will be taking place at 9:40 p.m. Jamaican time. We're looking forward to seeing Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price, Elaine Thompson, and Sharika Jackson heating up the track for the heats. But before we get into what's coming later, let's talk about the updates that we missed. The first update is Keanan Dols in swimming. If you've been following my updates, you would have heard that he had the 200-meter individual medley to do. And unfortunately, he didn't place. Well, he wasn't one of the fastest times. They only carry through the top 16. And he wasn't in the top 16. He actually came third place in his medley heat one. But, good job, Keanan Dols. Set the pace, set the trend for the swimmers to come. Now let's move on to judo. Remember, I mentioned that Ebony Drysdale Daley, she made history Wednesday when she became Jamaica's first ever judoka to compete at an Olympics. She actually also lost 10-0 to the 2019 World Championships judo silver medalist Barbara Timo of Portugal. So that was in the 40 kg elimination round. So she's eliminated. But she says she's feeling really pleased. It's a pleasure and a privilege to be the first. And it's definitely not going to be the last. So it's more special. It's more important. It's something that needs to continue. And it's just a surge of like a lot of emotions. So that's what she told the Jamaican Observer. So yeah, she's feeling good because she had the first definitely last, and I'm sure say we're gonna have more people joining judo. Now boxing, I was really looking forward to this. We had R.Brown facing against S. Kumar of India. It was a bit late. I didn't get to watch it, but I have the update for you. S. Kumar actually won of India 4-1. So he tried his best. So thank you for getting there, R. Brown. You are still an Olympian. So guys, we're eliminated from swimming, judo, boxing, right? Well, let me just confirm boxing if there is anything else there. I'll let you know if there's anything else for boxing. Now back to what's happening tonight. Ensure you have your TV turned on because you have to support track and field. We actually have the 800 meters coming first at 7:55 p.m. Jamaican time. And we also have the long jumps where we have Tajay Gale for the men at 7:15 p.m. Jamaican time. So you need to watch the long jumps to see how we're going. For the 800 meter, we have Natoya Goal. So Natoya Goal for the 800 meters. So support her thing. It will be heat 2 for her. And the big thing, the big heat that everyone is looking forward to today will be the 100-meter heats, where we have 3 Jamaicans competing in that heat. So let's see what happens tonight. Wherever you are, turn on your TV, whatever time zone, even for early morning. Get up and watch the thing and cheer and show up in your colors them and go on with your things, right? Well, they actually are different events, so you can watch from the steeplechase starts at 7 p.m. Then the long jump goes at 7:15 p.m. The discus throw is at 7:45 p.m. and 800 meters 7:55 p.m. Then you have the 400 meters at 8:55 p.m. and then the 100 meters at 9:40 p.m. So that's it for updates. We want to keep it quick and concise. I hope you are informed by this update that we've been doing for you. And tune in tonight to watch, support the 800 meter, the long jump, and the 100-meter heats. Alright, guys, so remember to subscribe for more. Do remember to check out our store, support our Jamaicans. Together we can do anything. Big up yourself, stay blessed, stay upful, and talk again soon.